Today I'm going to do an analysis on foundation design by using SAFE 2016 software. This is the plan of the building for which I am going to design a mat footing. There are 16 columns in total from C1 to C16 which are arranged 6 meters apart in both X and Y direction. The data of the column are displayed is obtained from ETABS software. We are considering the safe bearing capacity of soil is 300 kilonewton per meter square and allowable settlement is 1 centimeter. Now I am going to do analysis by using SAFE 2016 software. I am already defined column, rebar and slab properties. Now I am going to run analysis for the for this footing. For that I have to go in run menu and select run analysis. The displacement value of different slab region are displayed now. Then click on run again and select run analysis and design. Then go to display menu and click on show punching shear and design. As you can see, the punching shear ratio in most of the point are more than 1, which means design is failing. We have to make all the value of punching shear stress less than 1. For that we have to increase the thickness of the slab. For that, first I have to unlock the model. Then go in define menu and select slab properties and then select mat footing and click on modify show properties. Now here in thickness option you have to write 1200 mm and select OK. Now again we have to run analysis, then go to run menu and run analysis. You can see the slab displacement here. Then go to run again and run analysis and design and go to display menu and select show punching shear design. You can see that the punching shear ratio is less than 1 in all the columns. Now it means the design is passed. Now go to select set display option to view, then click on extruded view, click on OK, then click on 3D view to see your mat footing in 3D. Now come in 2D plan. Now go to display menu, click on show strip forces. Now here you can select load cases and load combination accordingly, and you can see shear forces, torsion and axial forces accordingly as you need. Click on OK. You can see the different values of the slab. Now again click on display menu, go to show crack width. You can select load cases or load combinations, and first I have choose the load bottom face crack to see the bottom face cracks. Now click on apply. Move cursor to see crack width. Each color represents different value of crack. The crack range is from 10 to the power of -3, which is quite negligible. Now we are going to generate a detailed report. For that I have to go in run menu and select run detailing. Reinforcement diagram is generated. Expand the drawing component in model explorer bar. Click expand slab view. Click on rebar table. You can see here the rebar table. The diameter of rebar, shape code, etc. Now click on individual slab view, mat 1, extend it mat 1. You can see the rebar plan, rebar top plan, rebar bottom plan, section views. You can see different bar dimensions. So now the analysis is completed. Thank you so much.